Are you looking for an easy, simple and effective tool for diversification in your equity portfolio? A multi-cap fund can do all this for you. What are multi-cap funds? Multi-cap funds invest a minimum of 25% in large caps, that is, well-established businesses comprising of the top 100 companies by market cap, a minimum of 25% in mid-caps, that is, future large caps comprising of 101st to 250th company by market cap, a minimum of 25% in small caps, that is, niche businesses with high potential for growth, represented by 251st company onwards by market cap. The balance 25% will be a flexible portfolio, which can be invested at the fund manager's discretion. Let's understand why should one invest in a multi-cap fund. As you can clearly see in this table, different segments outperform each other at different times. Hence, it is prudent to diversify across market cap segments. Nifty 500 Multi-Cap 50-25-25 Index is relatively more balanced compared to the Nifty 500 Index, as mid-cap and small-cap account for 50% weightage. This chart shows that Nifty 500 Multi-Cap 50-25-25 Index has outperformed the Nifty 500 Index by 1.3% CAGR over the long term. Opportunity comes in various sizes, presenting HDFC Multi-Cap Fund. A one-stop solution for diversification across large, mid and small caps. It aims to benefit from stability of large caps, growth of mid caps and potential of small caps. Controlled exposure helps to reduce the volatility of the portfolio. Mix of top-down and bottom-up approach to stock selection. Approximately 60 to 75% of total assets to be invested in large and mid caps. Approximately 25 to 40% of total assets to be invested in small caps. It aims to invest across value, growth and turnaround companies. HDFC Mutual Fund has a track record of managing equity funds for more than 2 decades. HDFC Multi-Cap Fund is suitable for investors looking for a one-stop solution with disciplined exposure to large cap, mid cap and small cap segments. Investors with a medium to long-term investment horizon. It's an apt investment vehicle for SIP investments to achieve market cap-based diversified allocation. NFO period 23rd November to 7th December 2021. Contact your mutual fund distributor or registered investment advisor today. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.